This is the Genesis G90. Available on Genesis G90 models equipped with the Ergo Motion seat, Smart Posture Assist automatically adjusts the pelvic and back portion of the driver's seat after 1 hour of driving. To activate or deactivate Smart Posture Assist, press the Setup button, then on the infotainment screen, select Seat, Driver Seat, Ergo Motion Seat, and then select or deselect Smart Posture Assist. Alternatively, the settings can be reached by pressing Setup, then Vehicle, Seat, Ergo Motion Seat, and then selecting or deselecting Smart Posture Assist. For more information on your Genesis, be sure to explore the how-to guides on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult mygenesis.com and your owner's manual.